how to fix Sweatcoin not going into Sweat wallet. So here, as you can see, I have more than 2000 Sweatcoin. However, if I go into my Sweat wallet, it is going to say that my balance is 0.01. Why is that? Well, that is because the Sweatcoin and the Sweat tokens are completely unrelated. You cannot transfer over your Sweatcoin into your Sweat wallet. You can use the Sweatcoin on this app itself. You can earn, you can use it for raffles, or you can donate to charity. However, the Sweatcoin which you have here, for me it's 2800, does not convert into Sweat wallet unless you have or had previously opted into the conversion. There are some events like once a year which allow you to convert your Sweatcoin into Sweat balance, but if it's not converting or it's not changing, then that means that it is going to stay in the app. I hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.